To interpret the Credit.com sign-up process, it is essential to understand the key components and steps involved. The Credit.com sign-up is a straightforward process designed to provide individuals with access to their credit information and various tools to manage their credit health. First, users need to navigate to the Credit.com website and click on the Sign Up button. They will then be prompted to enter their personal details, including name, address, and social security number. This information is used to verify the user's identity and retrieve their credit report from the major credit bureaus. Once the user's identity is verified, they will be asked to create a username and password to secure their account. It is crucial to choose a strong and unique password to protect sensitive credit information. After completing the sign-up process, users will gain access to their credit report, which includes their credit score, credit history, and other relevant information. The credit score is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit health. To interpret the credit report, users should look for key factors that affect their credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and credit age. Payment history accounts for 35% of the credit score, so it is essential to make timely payments to maintain a good credit score. Credit utilization, which accounts for 30% of the credit score, refers to the amount of credit used compared to the available credit limit. Keeping credit utilization below 30% is recommended to avoid negatively impacting the credit score. Finally, users should regularly monitor their credit report to detect any errors or suspicious activity. They can also use the various tools and resources provided by Credit.com to track their credit progress, receive personalized recommendations, and improve their overall credit health. By following these steps and understanding the key components of the Credit.com sign-up process, individuals can take control of their credit information and make informed decisions to maintain good credit health.